So how can you see your phone number in the settings of the iPad, or just find out more information about it? So if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So first of all, before we get inside of the settings, it would probably make sense to check out the Contacts app on your iPad, where you can click on it and you can see all of the people which I have stored. Everything is showing up in here, but there is also the My Card thing at the top of the list. So all of the contacts I have stored, but at the top there is my page. So you can see my card, and when I click on it, you can see the information about myself, including the phone number, which is actually mine. It's not my real number, of course, but if you have it saved on your phone, it's likely going to show up on your iPad as well, and you'll be able to see it in the Contacts app. But in order to come back to the settings, if you want to see it in there, what you can do is to get inside your place in here, get inside of the settings and browse it for different apps. For example, if you go to the apps and at the bottom, you might be using your phone number for things like FaceTime or iMessage. So you can look up those individual apps. So let me just start with the FaceTime, for example. And if you have your phone number in here, you would be able to see it in there in the section of you can be reached by FaceTime at. I only have the email in here, but if you have your phone number associated with it, then you should be able to find it in there too. And the same thing goes for iMessage. So if you look up the Messages app in here, you can also see you can be reached at, and as long as it works and is set up, then you should also be able to find it in here somewhere. So yeah, that's something you can definitely check out. But yeah, that's essentially it, and that's how you can find it. Like, obviously we have the phone section inside of the iPad. Like, we have the dedicated phone app, but it's mostly for the online calls. So yeah, the iPad can use the SIM card, but only for cellular data. So yeah, it's kind of like there are so many alternatives and ways you can kind of use it. So if you have a very specific thing about the iPad, like a question you might have, let me know below in the comments. But for now, that's gonna be about it, and I'll see you later.